Spice here, and today I'm coming to you guys with a video that actually was a fail. Unfortunately, it's supposed to be a 10-minute makeup challenge. I do think I could get this in 10 minutes if I wasn't doing all the stuff that I was doing, but you'll kind of see the disaster that happened of me trying to get this whole makeup look together. But it's a very simple, quick makeup look. Just wanted to come to you guys with something that's very practical and easy that anybody can do, and they can do it fast, like for work or anything like that. So yeah, before we get into the video, definitely want to invite you guys to subscribe to my channel, join the Spice gang, and become a Spice girl. We have a lot of fun over here. Also hit the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll actually have all of my social media linked below, so hit me up on there so you can see all the looks we serving, honey. Now, let's get right into the video. Bye. All right, so what's good, guys? I already did my eyebrows, and we're gonna try to make this a 10-minute makeup challenge. I mean, honestly, trying to film this, I don't really think it can be 10 minutes, but if I was just getting ready on a regular basis, not filming it, I'm pretty positive I could do this makeup in 10 minutes. I need to just make sure I have everything near me. I have all my brushes here. Lord, I didn't waste the word on myself. All right, so yeah, I have all my brushes right here. I have a fuck ton of brushes. And my friend LaQuelle told me that I should do a video on like good brushes to use. I use cheap brushes too. Like, I think I'm actually gonna do that. But yeah, I have my brushes near me. And yeah, I'm gonna just start on the makeup. So I'm gonna try, let me set a timer. See if we can do this with a timer, or can we be for real? All right, so I'm gonna put the stopwatch on. Oh no, I should do the timer. I was about to stopwatch on, like, bitch, you gonna really make it go over. All right, time. All right, 10 minutes. Start the timer. I really don't think I can do this in 10 minutes, but we're going to try, because I don't want to be sloppy. Like, I still want it to look good, but I want it to be 10 minutes. But okay, if it's a little over 10 minutes, don't be judging me. Also, if you haven't subscribed, what are you doing, sis? Hit the subscribe button. We're trying to get 3K subscribers over here. I'm at like 2008 something. So all right, let me hurry up. So I'm using the Juvias I Am Magic foundation. I'm using that in the shade Gabon or Gabon. Number is 300. Okay. I really don't want to mess up my eyebrows because I feel like I slayed my eyebrows today. What do you guys think? I'm using a new brow product that I really love, and it's like the Morphe brow product. See, this is exactly why it's gonna take me longer than 10 minutes, because you ain't gonna be sitting here talking to nobody on a damn camera when you doing it. But that's just what I'm doing. So all right, trying to be fast. I feel like this foundation really matches my skin tone, and it doesn't oxidize on me. I've heard that it oxidizes on some people, but it doesn't oxidize on me. But I have a problem where I have different colors all over my face, my neck, a whole damn different color. It's like, do you want to match your neck or do you want to match your face? It's like, are you gonna be looking dark, extra dark, or a little light? Like, so for the people that be judging about my foundation color, that's why sis got different colors all over her face. All right, so I got that on. And honestly, for every day, I feel like you should use a concealer that's a little darker than this one, but this is the concealer that I'm using because I really love it. I'm just gonna go a little light. And question, what do you guys do to not have wrinkles under your eyes? Like, not have creasing under your eyes? Because I have creasing no matter what concealer that I use. I have creasing. I don't know if it's the brush that I'm using. I don't know what it is, but I've never been able to not have creasing. I'm also going to use, oh, this is the I Am Magic concealer in 13, and I'm also going to use this Maybelline Fit Me powder to set it. This shit is bomb. I couldn't stop using I could not stop using the Sasha, but I just got tired of the Sasha. Like, I feel like maybe it got old or I left it open, I don't know, but it just didn't work the same. I feel like it was getting too dry. But I think it's just because my skin is more dry lately, honestly. Like, I feel like I used to have oily skin, but now I definitely have dry skin. So it's been a little difficult coming to terms with that, just because you have to really change up how you do your skincare. But I feel like I found some really popping skincare. I'm definitely going to do a video on skincare soon, because I'm really trying to pump out this content. Like, I'm really trying to see what this is going to be like. I need to actually, I've never been serious on YouTube, like, and like consistent. I've been on here, I've been making videos for years, but I never did it consistently. So that's the goal this year. We're going to try to do that. We're going to try to lose some weight, you know. And why is this turning into a goals video? I'm trying to not make a big deal about my goals though, so that like I actually meet them. Like, I met some of my goals for last year, but I just feel like if I'm nonchalant about it, it'll work out better. That's just gonna be my method for 2020, I guess. All right. So, and if you hear anything over there, my boyfriend's gaming. So yeah. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. And now I'm going to bronze. I'm still using my Old Faithful. Ain't nobody gave me a suggestion on another bronzer. And yeah, I'm still using my Old Faithful. I'm looking for my favorite bronzing brush. Found it. I'm just bronzing it up. Okay. 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 Yes. Okay. So yeah, this is the base, and now, like I said, it's gonna be a very simple makeup. So just gonna do a liner, and I hate rushing on my eyeliner, but I feel like I kind of have to rush into 10-minute makeup. But oh my god, my boyfriend is so loud yelling at the video game. Oh my god. He's getting back into streaming, so that's hilarious in itself. Okay. I'm sure these look nothing alike, because when have I ever made my fucking eyeliner twins? Actually, I did pretty good. Wow, tear. Kind of messed up. So, now we're gonna go ahead and do the mascara. And typically, honestly, I'll probably just stop like this with the eyes if I was just trying to do some everyday shit. But I gotta be a little extra, so I'm definitely gonna put lashes on. But ooh, damn, I got some mascara on my face. Thank God. Okay. Okay. So we did that, and we're looking really cute. So now I can't believe it hasn't been 10 minutes yet. Like, did I set this timer? A bitch never pressed start, y'all. I'm a joke. I never pressed start. So we're just gonna hope this is 10 minutes. We'll just call it a fail. Wow, see, this is why. If you know me, you know why I did that. Shit, see, this just threw me all off focus. Y'all gonna get this video though. Okay. Put me some blush on. Construct blush. Makeup Shayla Colourpop palette. I should've known that was too damn easy. Alright, so this is like an extra fail. Wet n Wild Crown of Canopy, one of my favorite highlighters. And we'll get that mascara off in a second. A key to getting mascara off your face, let it dry first, and then it comes off really easy with like a Q-tip or something. Alright. Okay. Alright, this brush is okay to do this. It's gonna be a little intense with this brush, but it's fine. Okay, I'll put my lashes on and I'll come back and do my lipstick. Okay, so the challenge is effed, to say the least. So I did my eyeliner and my lashes off camera. I did do some under eyeliner, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips right now. I'm just using a very natural color. I'm using BFF4, of course. My favorite brown lip liner. I like this, and I also like MAC Chestnut. That's my other ride or die, but I've lost like 2 of those, so, and they're a little bit more expensive than Colourpop, so we said we're gonna do this color high. And I'm using Makeup Shayla's collection, Slowdown, Pretty Nude, Pretty Peachy Nude. It'll stay on you all day. And Colourpop has that soft matte now, so yeah, we're done with the makeup. Let me just go ahead and set with my new Morphe Concealer Setting Spray. Ooh. Ooh. And I'm gonna come back to you guys when I have everything, you know, my whole fabulous look on. So, all right, so what's good, you guys? I'm back, and here is the finished product with the hair and the makeup and everything. Here's how it looks. Typically, I believe that I could do this in 10 minutes. Of course, trying to film and everything, it was an absolute fail. Trying to do it in 10 minutes. I'm pretty sure you can get this makeup out in 10 minutes, especially if you don't add the lashes. So yeah, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely do not forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I will have all my information linked down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, join the Spice gang, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.